Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Video 115, Lecture 3. It is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, Unit 2. In this lecture, we will discuss about the chemical properties of alkanes. Alkanes are a rather unreactive class of compounds. At room and moderate temperatures, they are quite stable towards most of the chemical reagents, such as acids, alkalis, oxidizing agents, reducing agents, etc. The relative inertness of alkanes is due to the following two reasons. Alkanes are made up of only carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen sigma bonds, which are non-polar since the electronegativities of carbon 2.5 and hydrogen 2.1 do not differ appreciably. Thus, alkane are non-polar molecules. As a result, polar and ionic reagents, acids, alkalis, etc., find no reaction site in alkane molecules. Both carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bonds are quite strong. Therefore, collisions of the alkane molecules with almost all the reagents at room temperature do not provide sufficient energy to break these bonds. However, at higher temperatures or in the presence of UV light, these collisions provide sufficient energy to break these bonds, but only homolytically to produce free radicals. As a result, at high temperature or in the presence of UV light, alkanes undergo free radical reactions. The free radical reactions in principle can be either addition or substitution. Since alkanes do not contain double or triple bonds, so only type of reactions which alkanes undergo are free radical substitution reactions and other reactions like isomerization, alkylation, cracking or fragmentation reactions, aromatization or reforming reactions, and oxidation reactions. Substitution reactions, halogenation. The most important substitution reaction of alkanes is halogenation. It involves the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of an alkane by a corresponding number of halogen atoms. See the reaction CH4, methane plus chlorine. In presence of this UV light, it will form methyl chloride. On further chlorination, dichloromethane. On further chlorination, chloroform, and then carbon tetrachloride. The order of reactivity of different types of hydrogen of the alkanes are tertiary hydrogen, secondary hydrogen, and primary hydrogen. The order of reactivity of halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Mechanism. Chlorine molecule, it will first fragment into chlorine free radical in presence of UV light. Then this chlorine free radical will produce methyl radical, free radical, and HCl. And this methyl radical will again react with chlorine molecule to produce methyl chloride. Similarly, this nitric acid also react with alkanes at a higher temperature, and nitroalkanes, we will get nitroalkanes. Sulfuric acid also react in presence of oleum, alkane sulfonic acid. Chlorosulfonic acid also react with alkanes, and it will give corresponding alkyl sulfonate chloride. Thermal decomposition, pyrolysis or cracking. Alkanes undergo in thermal decomposition into small fragments. For example, normal octane it will produce pentane, propene, like that, octane, hydrogen, octane, hydrogen, like that. It depends on what type of thermal decomposition is occur in the alkane. Suppose it is fission of carbon hydrogen bond, then it is catalyzed by oxides of chromium, vanadium, and molybdenum. If carbon-carbon bond decompose, it is occur in the presence of silica, alumina, zinc oxide, etc. It is used, this technique is used, employed in alkanes, high boiling alkanes, to get production of petrol from heavy oil. Isomerizations. The process of conversion of a compound into its isomer is known as isomerization. For example, normal butane in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it will convert it into isobutane. Normal hexane, it may be converted into 2-methyl pentane or 3-methyl pentane in presence of aluminum chloride. This reaction is useful for increasing the octane number of a petroleum fraction. Alkylation. The process of introducing an alkyl group in place of a hydrogen of the molecule is known as alkylation. Isobutane plus 2-methyl propene concentrate when it is reacted in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid and hydrogenation, it will give us isooctane. We know that octane number is 100, right? This reaction is also useful for artificial production of petrol or for improving the quality of petrol. For example, normal heptane, its octane number is 0. When it is converted into alkylation, when it is isomerized, it will give us 2,2,3 trimethyl butane, and its octane number is 124. So it is very useful for production of artificial petrol. Reaction with ketones. When isobutane is reacted with acetone in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, and then on dehydration, it will form this molecule. Its octane number is 124. Aromatization. Alkanes containing 6 or more carbon atoms, when heated under pressure in presence of chromic acid, chromic oxide, gives benzene and homologues of benzene aromatic. In place of chromic oxide catalysis supported on aluminum oxide. When we can use vanadium oxide, molybdenum oxide can be used. Similarly, normal heptane gives toluene or methyl benzene. See the chromic oxide or aluminum oxide at 600 degrees centigrade temperature and 15 atmospheric pressure. Oxidations. Combustion reaction. When ethane molecule is oxidized, it will form carbon dioxide, 4 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water molecules. And it will liberate 736 kilocalorie per mole energy, and it is an exothermic reaction. Incomplete oxidation. Partial combustion of alkanes in limited supply of air results in the formation of carbon known as black. Methane, oxygen limited, it will form carbon and water molecule. Catalytic oxidation, when it is methane is oxidized in presence of copper at 400 degrees centigrade temperature and 200 atmospheric pressure, it will form methanol, formaldehyde, and formic acid on oxidation. Chemical oxidation. When isobutane is oxidized in presence of dilute KMnO4, it will form tertiary butyl alcohol. So this is for all about this lecture. Thank you very much. for today's lecture.